Hi, my name is Michael, and I make custom AI chatbots for businesses. Today, I'm going to be looking at a chatbot I made for Zakia Deli, which is a Lebanese restaurant in Northeast Minneapolis. So, the first bot we got here that I want to explain about is the review bot. The point of the review bot is to make it easier for the business to get reviews, hopefully, get more reviews, but also to have the reviews be more complete and to contain the SEO keywords that the business is hoping to rank for. Because if a customer is willing to leave a review and they leave a 5-star review, but then the review just says great or I liked the food or something like that, that's good for the business, but it is a missed opportunity in terms of um, ranking for in terms of SEO because what words show up in your Google reviews are very important in terms of determining which words you rank for and whether or not you rank for any words at all. And another aspect of the review bot is because it asks 3 questions, you can steer them towards mentioning things that you would like to rank for. For example, if you want to rank for Euro sandwich or Euro or nobody, I'm pretty sure nobody has the official way of saying that. Uh, then you can ask them, did you have a Euro sandwich in these? So, anyways, here's the first question. Let's get started on your review. How did you enjoy the taste and freshness of the food? It was very taste and fresh. That's wonderful to hear. Next, were you satisfied with the friendliness and the speed of service? Oops, I am blocking the camera. Yes, I was super duper satisfied. Did you find the atmosphere welcoming and the prices fair? I found the atmosphere very welcome. Whoops. I found the atmosphere very welcoming. Prices very fair. So again, we can adjust these questions to be anything that we want them to be. So the business owner can come and say, "This is the way I want it to be." Uh-oh, I think we might have a problem here. Yes, we do. We have a problem. I need to give it a type. I messed up. Okay. Apologies for that. I had a small problem that I needed to fix within the code. I think it should be good now. How did you enjoy the taste and freshness of the food? The food was very fresh and very tasty. I was very satisfied with the friendliness and the speed of the service. The atmosphere was welcoming and the prices were fair. Okay, so this is what what's supposed to happen is that when the review comes out, now if the user doesn't like the review, they can edit it in 2 ways. One is they can just continue, they could ask, like you can just say like, I don't like that review, please give me another review. Or maybe give it more specific instructions. Like add a part about this, add a part about that. Great, that's a good review. Or when they click through, um, in this part, they can, so it's given them an easy way to copy and paste the review. So they are free to, obviously edit it at this point. when they after they paste it, before they post it. So that's the idea behind the review bot. And let's go back to the main menu. And now the reg bot, reg stands for retrieval augmented generation. So the retrieval augmented generation is what that means is generation is in reference to, AI is generative. And then retrieval augmented implies that we're giving it a set of documents, basically. So these documents, the value of the regbot is determined by the documents. If they're a full set of documents, then it will be able to answer a comprehensive set of questions about the restaurant. If it's not, if it's just a couple, then and when I make these free demos, I put in varying levels of effort in terms of how many documents I go about creating. So we'll see. I don't really know. Um, Aldi, you got any? What's a good question to ask the rag bot to test it out?
Mm, I would say like, what's your specials for Friday? Because Friday is a drink special, right? Or maybe food special, like?
Okay, I am 100% sure we do not have the specials in there, but let's try it and just see how it goes. What are your specials for Friday?
Yeah, it's the knowledge part.
No, yeah, we could. I'm sorry, but I don't have information on specific daily specials for Zakia Deli. You may want to check with Zakia Deli. Is there anything else you would like to know?
Nah, I just want to know um, how much it costs to have a falafel.
How much is a falafel?
Yeah.
Doesn't have specific pricing information. What information about Zakia Deli do you have? Okay, anyways, so there are a lot of other there's if Zakia Deli, if they want to give us their specials, then we can make it so that it will answer their specials. It will answer that question directly or correctly. And also, we are currently working on a directory bot, at least for Northeast Minneapolis. Starting with Northeast Minneapolis, we might expand, but we want to get the daily specials and the menu and all the basic information for every restaurant in Northeast Minneapolis. But what it is it's basically a aggregation of all of these bots. So yeah, if we have the special information for Zakia Deli, it will go in there. All right, I have rambled on way too long. Apologies for that.